Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Giftly gift card online using your desktop. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by going to your web browser. In the URL box appearing at the top, type in www.giftly.com/enter code. Press enter on your keyboard soon after you do that, and you'll end up in this gift code page popping up in the display. Make sure that you're logged into your giftly.com account as well, and once you are, you can simply enter your gift card number available at the back of your gift card. Type in your gift card number as it is shown at the back and click on I'm Not a Robot. Click Go to My Gift button at the bottom and you'll be able to redeem your gift card. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and you should be able to do that. If your gift card does not have a code in it, click on My Gift doesn't have a code link beneath. That is how you should be able to redeem your Giftly gift card online using your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.